everyone, you are watching a video on our YouTube channel English with Shyam Patidar. Here are the 4 participants today who are going to discuss with me on a very interesting topic. Today we are going to discuss that where we can get entertainment more by watching movies, by watching serials and shows. This is the topic of this GD. You all have to speak that, sir, I think that we can get more entertainment by watching movies. You can also mention that by watching serials we can get more entertainment. So here is the topic. Okay, so these are the 4 students who have been taking classes from our institute. Okay, they have completed more than 4 months. Now they are ready to take participate with me in this GD. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay guys, now let's get started. Okay. So who's going to start first? Please.
I am Gaurav Verma and I am basically from Devas district. And sir, I think serial is better because in serial nowadays we see that every person doing a full day in a job and he has a stress and many more tensions, and when he come at his home, so in the night and in the evening he watches the serial with his family and enjoy all of these things. When the serial is going on and some break in the serial, so that time family members discuss today's what happened and what will be in future. So
yes,
that
yes.
is a very good opportunity to
Spend quality time.
Spend quality time. So I think serial is better.
Okay, serial is better. Okay, yes.
Hello friends, my name is Ranu Patel and I am from village. I would like to go with serials because I think serials is superior than movies because it's a good source of entertain ourselves. We can enjoy sitting with our family members at our home, and there is lots of drama. So I think serials are best.
Okay, serials are best. Okay, you both think that serials are best. Yes.
Hello friends, my name is Sachal Chauhan. I'm going to speak about movies because movies are good. Whenever everyone has no time to spend to watch serials, but many people in lockdown we see that many people only watch movies because the serial who make serials they are in quarantine. So every people watch movies, they don't waste their time to see serials, and we also see that in serial there are so many types of things which is bad for every people, like they create so many suspense which is not people have no time to see more and more times, but in movies they will see more and more time, and they will spend their time with family also. Many times people go to cinema halls and they watch movies there, but they can't go to cinema halls to watch serials. So they will spend their time with family in cinema halls also, in a home also.
That's really great. That's it, Sahib.
My name is Sahir Hussain. I am pursuing BTech from Dadaji College, and I am learning English from Persona Institute. And I think that both movies and serial are the source of entertainment. And movies is serials is not so good as movies are, because there are in the movies there are so many thrillers, suspense, and happiness are available. But if you are watching serials, any kind of serial, so you have to give more and more time, because the serial takes long time to finish. But in the same way, if you are watching movies, so you can finish movie within 3 hours. Maximum time is 3 hours and minimum time is 2 hours. So you can easily finish your movie within a minute. I think the serials movies are better.
Okay. I just want to ask to all those who are in the fear of serials, especially you both.
Yes.
Now, as she said that we can also spend quality time with our family by going to cinema. Okay. Now, what about his point of view? It means now he's talking about that if you are watching a movie, so you can finish your movie in a hour, maybe 2 hours. But what about serials? It's long lasting. We have been watching a serial from our childhood. What about it? Yes, please, Gaurav, first.
As you said that we can go cinema hall with our family members, but in cinema some scene is like that we cannot see with
family.
our family.
Yes.
But in if we talk about any serial, so serial is entertainment, and serial also divided in the part of children, like children see like cartoon channel, and some ladies serial also available, so that, and some historical serial also. So it is divided, and we can easily which type of serial we want to see, so we can easily watch.
Especially nowadays, so many movies are not for below 18.
Yes, sir.
Children's, especially kids, they can't watch movies. So what about it?
Yes, sir. Sir, there are so many movie available in this world because we can easily watch with family.
Yes.
And if you talk about those movie who is some in movies are unnecessary things. So the movies already shows the instruction. This movie is not for children,
yes.
kids. So we should not watch this type of movie for children.
So it means for watching something we need to have restrictions ourselves. We have to restrict ourselves. It's not a great thing. Okay, Ranu, what do you think? What about quality of time? And you are talking about, as he said, that we can finish our movie in 2 hours. But what about serials? You know, we have been watching a particular series from childhood. Do you
Yes.
know? So what about it?
But I think we should have curiousness, like if we want to know about something, so we should
Wait.
we should wait. It's like a big test of our patience. So I think it will be a good habit for us.
I mean, suspense should be there.
Yes,
You want to get
suspense
entertainment.
should be
What is the
there.
role of suspense to
Suspense.
get entertainment? My next question to all of you. What is the importance of suspense? You're talking about suspense and we are talking about entertainment. So what is the role of suspense in entertainment? Who is going to answer? This is a very tough question. Okay, sir.
I think suspense is that what happened in next.
So-
it is a curiosity for
Okay,
and
so how
entertainment.
can you connect this point to the entertainment? Like she said that we need to have patience. If you want to get entertainment, we need to watch suspense.
Yes.
What will happen next day? That is the very big suspense. So what about it?
And sir, if we talk about entertainment, so in the suspense we can get entertainment, I think, because in a suspense also available on the entertainment.
Okay.
So we can
Somehow we will be very curious. What will happen next? It is
Yes.
maybe
It is maybe
entertainment.
entertainment.
It may be entertainment. What do you think?
and
Where
it
we
is-
get?
it is boost our creativity.
So do you think that in movies will you have get suspense?
Yes, I think in movies there is so many curious type things because whenever we watch movie, so in some time there is so many that things which is
Thrilling scenes, suspense.
yes, that is that suspense creates so many things like in few minutes what happened next time. So we will watch more and more. Like I will take one example like KGF. That movie, in that movie there is so many thriller and so many excitement things which is so many people are waiting for
Next chapter.
So in movies also there are so many exciting things.
Okay, that's really great. Sahil, what do you think?
Yes, sir. I want to put a strong point which is related to movie. Sir, in the movie there are so many things available which is related to our past incidents. Because I would like to mention the name of movie like Kesari and Border. In this movie there are so many incident available which is related to our past
really
incidents. Because we connect to our past incident, what will happen, what did you do in past
Yes,
incidents. So we can watch very easily and we can boost our general knowledge and we can boost our mind.
Okay. I just want to ask you next question. Actually, when we started this video, I told you where we can get chance to learn. So where we learn, it means by watching serials, by watching shows, or by watching movies. Where we get to learn? By watching serials, by watching movies. By watching movies, we learned so many motivational things. I can give so many examples, but I just want to know, please, who is going to tell me what will we learn? What we learn through movies?
We learned so many things from movie like if I'm talking about inspiration movie.
Yes.
So the Gunjan Sharma movie and the Secret Superstar. That movie, that type of movie show us, teach us that how to achieve our aims,
Yes.
how to focus on our aim. And in serial we can't learn so many things. Like we think that Saas Bahu's fight
they-
and so many
Unnecessary
negative
drama.
mentality. They become like fighters in their home. They don't think about that what happened in serials.
Practically, they don't think practically.
Mostly they apply in their real life. But in movies, if someone motivates us, so we will try to achieve in our life.
Yeah, so many great movies through which we can learn. 3 Idiot is the biggest example. Okay, so what about it? Means you said that by watching serials we don't get something to learn. Only we learn how to drama, how to fight with an innovative way, as she said recently. So what do you think?
Sir, I think through serials we can get lots of things.
Yes.
Like if we talk about KBC,
Yes.
so in the KBC we can boost our knowledge. And if we talk about CID, so in the CID we can our mind is very creative that time. And if we talk about historical serials, Kapil Sharma show
Yes,
is
yes.
very entertaining and
Dancing
historical
based,
yes,
yeah.
dancing based. And some historical serial also available. And if we before some time Sairbia said that in the Kesari movie we get knowledge and the particular person. So I think that in these things only one little, it means briefly.
Yeah, briefly.
But if we talk about any serial, so in the serial like a Chhatrapati Shivaji, so in that serial is a beginning to end. So we can get our we can boost our knowledge, detail, and we can get detail, and we can improve on ourselves.
Yes,
So
definitely,
I think
definitely.
serial is also good.
Okay, serials are long lasting, so you will get to know more things. Yes, please.
I think in movies many people boost so much, and there is lots of riot and controversial matters they show in movies. But if we talk about lots of there are lots of good serials like Barrister Babu. We can and Crime Patrol. We can know earlier that if we are facing any kind of problem and struggle, so we can easily find out the solution
Yes.
hand to hand.
That's
So I
really
think it's a great.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, in the serial, most of the serials show the only happiness, because they all time provide happiness. How to provide happiness with the help of people's enjoy or channel.
Yes.
And but in the movies nowadays every people wants to new thoughts and new idea. So these types of things only which is given by the movie.
Yes.
In the serial this kind of things is not available.
Okay, so now you all have to conclude. Okay, so who is going to start first? In conclusion, especially I just want to tell what we can say in conclusion. In conclusion, you can say that, sir, personally I think that. What do you think personally, in short? Okay, so who is going to start first? Okay, Gaurav, please.
Yes,
Again, yes.
I think, sir, nowadays both are important, and both things some advantages and some disadvantages.
Okay.
It's up to like movies. So some movies are very good in action movie and inspiring
movies.
But some movies are we cannot bad things. So nowadays people get not get some good things.
Yes.
He get bad things.
Okay.
And if we talk about a serial, so serial also bad serial also and a good serial. So it's up to
Us, how we are judging the things.
Yes, how can we get good things in those things?
Okay. Yes.
In nutshell, I would like to say that both are very important to entertain ourselves. And movies and serials are not bad. Like gun are not bad. The hands which are having it's actually bad.
Okay,
So
that's
it is
really-
for us that how we are going to and what we are going to learn through these both entertaining sources. So I think
Okay,
it's
that's really great, Ranu.
Yes.
According to me, I think that they both are good for us and they both are bad for us. If we are talking about they both things, so if whatever we know what is wrong, what is right or what is wrong, so we know what is right for us, so we will watch right thing, and if we know what is wrong, so we will stay away from that.
That's really great. Yes, Sahib.
Sir, I think both the source are related to our entertainment source, and if you want to, in my perspective, I want to say something about the serials. In the serials, if you want to entertainment ourselves, so you can watch serials, and if you want some new things which is related to technology and new idea and creative thoughts, so we should watch movies, because movies provides these types of things.
Okay, guys, that's really great. That's really great, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you enjoyed the video, so please share your personal experience. That what do you think? Where we get more chance to learn, like by watching movies or by watching serials actually, and where we can get entertain ourselves by watching movies or by watching serials. And you can also suggest me that next GD. It means in the next GD on which topic we can discuss. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.